Hello everyone, wishing everyone a Merry Christmas and a joyful festive season ahead. So, that's my Christmas tree, and probably my mom surprised me with a present, so time to cut it open. Oh, oh, it's a Ferrari bag. I guessed it right.
Nice or not?
Yeah, I didn't know you're gonna buy this.
Surprise, nice.
Whoa!
So what? Hey, so you got a Ferrari cap, Ferrari bag.
Shirt. Okay, that makes up.
Red, red, red. You open the zip.
Oh, this is cool. Thank you, mom. Thank you. So probably I'll do other gifts as well. My dad probably presented this. This is a typhoon right here. You got the UK and the Luftwaffe livery. So inside the box, you'll have this. So probably I shall shift the camera. So inside the box, you have this. Literally a typhoon fuselage. Top half, bottom half. So there you go. Other pieces as well for the typhoon. And there's your instruction manual right there. Probably I'll show you the box art as well. So this is the box art. Yep. Info of the Eurofighter Typhoon. The other side is the Royal Air Force Edition. So probably the previous price was $21.90, but my dad bought it at $13 plus. Quite a good steal. No, I mean not steal, I mean a bargain. Yeah, got myself this as well. Anime fan. Then got my box, which I will also open probably now. So yeah, let's do this. Yeah, this will take quite a while. You look cool. Oh, bubble wrap. Finally, I got it. This is the F-175 Charles Leclerc edition. and it's not sold on any department stores yet, but you can have to get it at Shopee or any other e-commerce app to buy this. So it's probably worth the buy, as it's not on sales at any department stores yet. So yeah, there you go, Charles Leclerc edition. Alright, I'll flip the camera. Yep, Charles Leclerc. It's the 2022 edition. Probably I'll shed some more light. Give you another angle. Yeah, it's one of my favorite themes. Well, they come in second, so not too shabby. Yeah, I'd like to wish everyone again a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So yeah, see you. Bye.